Cesar, we have one, Jane, Rock My World, Pampangenya is on the outside, then followed by Alta Spines, Latisa Bounty in the middle portion, is Atomic 79, Undisputed Order. We've got number 5, One Jane, Rock My World, is on the outside, second, racing in third comes Pampangenyo. Running by the fourth, Alta Spines, Atomic 79 is racing in fifth. Then comes Latisa Bounty, Undisputed Art, Camora comes next. Running by the striker symbol, Real Talk Director Diva, and Prince Papay is racing in yes. And that's still One Jane by about 2 lengths. Alta Spines, Rock My World, Atomic 79 is running by the fourth. Then comes Undisputed Order, One Jane, Alta Spines moving up, Atomic 79 outside, Rock My World, One Jane, Alta Spines, Atomic 79 is on the outside, third, Rock My World, but it's still One Jane by about 2 lengths. Atomic 79 still in second, Alta Spines, One Jane, Atomic 79 is on the outside, giving the power burst of energy, and it's still One Jane, Atomic 79 is on the outside, entering the finish line is going to be close finish. One Jane, Atomic 79, then comes Camora, Rock My World.
Pera nun, nakita natin yung 5 at 8 halos sabay dumating, pero sa tingin ko may nauna dun eh. So, panoorin na lang po natin itong ating race number 7 sa instant replay at kayo na po